Welcome back to Desmos hack number 4, the Vertex shortcut. Picture this on the SAT. What is the minimum value of this function? You could write the Vertex formula, x equals negative b over 2a, plug in, solve for yy, about 45 seconds and one sign error away from a wrong answer. Or with Desmos, you graph it, click one dot, and read the answer in 3 seconds. 15 times faster. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the head-to-head. On the left, the Vertex formula, identify a and b, compute x equals negative b over 2a. Plug back in for y, watch your signs. 2 steps, lots of room to slip. On the right, the Desmos method, type the equation, click the lowest point, done. 3 seconds, 0 arithmetic. Works for minimums and maximums. And yes, it's fully allowed on the SAT digital calculator. The method is just 3 moves. 1. Type the quadratic into Desmos and the parabola appears. 2. Figure out if it opens up or down. Up means you're hunting the lowest point, a minimum. Down means the highest point, a maximum. 3. Click the vertex dot and Desmos hands you the exact XY coordinates. Key thing to remember, the YY coordinate is the min or max value. The X coordinate is where it occurs. Example 1, find the minimum of y equals x squared minus 4x plus 1. Type it in. Because a is positive, the parabola opens up, so we want the lowest point. Click it. Desmos shows 2, negative 3. The minimum value is negative 3. That's the y coordinate. If the SAT asks for the x at the minimum, the answer is 2. 3 seconds versus 45. Example 2, find the maximum of y equals negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 5. By formula, you're juggling negatives and it's easy to slip. In Desmos, type it, and because a is negative, the parabola opens down. Click the highest point, the peak. Desmos shows 2, 3. Maximum value is 3. Same 3-second flow, whether it's a min or a max. Your turn, pause the video and try this one. Find the minimum of y equals x squared plus 6x plus 2. Open desmos.com/calculator, type the equation, and because a is positive, it opens up. Find the lowest point. Click it and write down the vertex. I'll reveal the answer next slide. Pause now. Welcome back. The vertex is negative 3, negative 7. So the minimum value is negative 7. If you want to check by hand, x equals negative 6 over 2 equals negative 3, then plug in to get y equals negative 7. Match. Remember the wording, minimum value is the y coordinate, x at the minimum is the x coordinate. On a 10-question test, this saves you roughly 7 minutes. Here's your cheat sheet. Screenshot this. Golden rule, graph it, click the lowest or highest point, read the coordinates. If a is positive, opens up, you want the minimum. If a is negative, opens down, you want the maximum. Pro tip, right-click the vertex dot for exact fractional coordinates. Works for any form of quadratic, standard, vertex, or factored. The vertex formula is officially retired. 45 seconds and sign errors out, 3 seconds and 1 click in. If this saved you time, hit like, comment your answer to the practice question, and subscribe for a new Desmos hack every week. For free AI-powered SAT prep tailored to your weaknesses, head to satprep1600.com. See you in hack number 5.